Hi guys, this is Sai Kumar Kortiwada. In this video, we will learn about HTML elements. In my previous video, I have explained about HTML introduction, and in this video, we concentrate on HTML elements. Let me quickly jump into Visual Studio Code. What I'll do is I'll go into these nodes, I'll remove all this, and let me go into HTML. Now, first thing you have to understand about elements is elements contains some set of tags, that is start tag plus content plus end tag. So how to define these tags? Each and every tag will have some set of element, some set of spelling or a label. For example, you have HTML, which we saw in the previous video, HTML. So this is my open tag, and I can write some content, any content, and I have to combine it with end tag. End tag will always define with the same label like HTML, but with a slash. So this indicates the end tag and this indicates the starting tag, and whatever the content you want, you can write over here. So let me show you this example. Now let me go into index.html and we target for any of the element. Let's talk about h1. H1 indicates heading tag. So now this is heading element, heading 1. So let me save this, go here and just reload. Now you got heading 1. So that has a specific feature. For example, if I write the same thing with a paragraph, it looks like a small font. For example, I am using paragraph and save this. Now go here and reload. You can see a paragraph. If you see both of them, they have some default stylings. That means it is in bold and it is having some set of weight, and it is having some set of spacing. It is having some set of font size, and in the same way for the paragraph, it has its own predefined values. Let me zoom it a bit like this. Now there is some other tags which will have a nested functionality. That means if you see, the second part is nested elements. So what is this nested elements? For example, here you have HTML. HTML and head is a nested part of HTML. If you see this HTML, it has some set of internal elements or nested elements which will be used to define your content. So this HTML has two different elements. One is head and one is body. Again, head is having one more nested element, that is nothing but title. And if you see the body has two elements, that is h1 and paragraph. Like this, you can define n number of elements which can be nested. So that is about your nested elements. And the third one which we need to understand is, let's talk about some more elements called as empty elements or empty tags. So what is this empty elements? That means it has the start tag, but it will not have content and end tag. It will be defined only with one single tag. So that is nothing but, for example, I can use a break statement which is a empty tag, and let me write a paragraph here, something like para 2. Let me save this, go here and reload. Now you can see para 2, but if you see this, there is a lot of space between this. That space is happening because of this break state. So now we understood about empty elements. Next thing is, elements are not case sensitive. That means whole HTML is not case sensitive. Save this. Now go here. Why it is not case sensitive? For example, if I write this as a capital P and if I write this as a capital P, it works the same way if you give small paragraph tag also. Let me reload, and there is no change here. And we have to be very careful whenever we have the content between these two elements. For example, if I try or if I forget this h1 and if I forget this paragraph, now let me save this, go here and reload. If you see, all the content are with h1 tag. So h1 is applied for all the tags. That means if you are not closing your tags properly, the features will not break, but the features of the first open tag may apply for remaining tags as well. So that's why you have to be very clear whenever you are closing and opening the tags. Then let me close this and let me close this as well. So we have to be very careful whenever we are opening and closing a tag or an element. That is about your HTML elements, and each and every element will have some set of attributes. We will talk about that attributes in the upcoming video. Hope you like my explanation. If you like my video, like, share, subscribe to my channel for more updates. Signing off. Thank you.